Bakit naman umalis ka kaagad? Why did you leave too soon? Kausapin mo naman ako. Please talk to me. Ako na naman ba? Me again? Kinausap mo na naman ba siya? Did you talk to her again? Sabihin mo naman ang totoo. Please tell the truth. Heto na naman tayo. Here we go again. Nagalit na naman ba siya? Did he get mad again? Kasalanan ko na naman ba? Is it my fault again? Wala naman akong masamang balak. I have no bad intention. Kumusta ka naman ngayon? How are you today? Isipin mo naman kami. Please think of us. Nakakainis ka naman minsan. You're annoying sometimes. Pakibigay naman ito sa kanya. Please give this to her. Ikaw naman ang maghugas ng pinggan. It's your turn to wash the dishes. Ayos lang naman ako. I'm okay. Bakit mo naman ginawa iyon? Why did you do that? Ang init naman dito. It's so hot here. Napakabait mo naman. You're so kind. Tulungan mo naman ako. Please help me. Ang tagal mo naman matapos. You're taking too long to finish. Pakibukas naman ang bintana. Please open the window. Sana naman umulan mamaya. I hope it rains later. Pwede mo naman akong samahan. You can come with me. Ang bagal mo naman. You're so slow. Ang ingay mo naman. You're so noisy. Bilisan mo naman. Please, hurry up. Ang dami mo namang alam. You know so much. Ang cute naman ng aso mo. Your dog is so cute. Huwag mo naman akong kalimutan. Please, don't forget me. Huwag mo naman siyang awayin. Please, don't fight with her or him. Ang saya naman dito. It's so fun here. Ang saya-saya mo naman. You're so happy. Ang ganda mo naman ngayon. You look so pretty today. Bakit naman hindi mo sinabi agad? Why didn't you say it earlier? Ang bilis mo naman maglakad. You walk so fast. Ang lambing mo naman. You're so sweet. Sana naman magustuhan niya. I hope he or she likes it. Ang tamis naman ng prutas na ito. This fruit is so sweet. Bakit naman ang lungkot mo? Why are you so sad? Ang dami naman nito. This is too much. Sana naman bumuti na ang lagay mo. I hope you get better. Ang sipag mo naman sa trabaho. You're very hardworking. Sana naman hindi siya galit. I hope he or she is not angry. Bakit naman ang tagal mo? What take you so long? Ang dali mo naman sumuko. You give up so easily. Ang sarap mo naman kasama. You're so nice to be with. Sana naman mapansin mo ako. I hope you notice me. Bakit naman ang bigat nito? Why is this so heavy? Pwede naman tayong mag-usap ng maayos. We can talk properly. Ang bigat mo naman. You're so heavy. Huwag mo naman akong titigan. Don't stare at me. Ang laki naman ng bahay mo. Your house is so big. Ang bait mo naman sa kanya. You're so kind to him or her. Ang lakas naman ng ulan. The rain is pouring. Ang kulit mo naman. You're so annoying. Bakit naman ang aga mong dumating? Why did you arrive so early? Sana naman matuto ka na sa pagkakamali mo. I hope you learn from your mistake. Ang sipag mo naman. You're such a hardworking. Bakit naman hindi mo siya pinansin? Why didn't you notice him or her? Ang linis naman ng kwarto mo. Your room is so clean. Bakit naman hindi mo sinubukan? Why didn't you try? Sana naman hindi tayo maligaw. I hope we don't get lost. Sana naman manalo tayo. I hope we win. Ang galing mo naman sumayaw. You're good at dancing. Bakit naman ang tahimik mo? Why are you so quiet? Ang lamig naman ng tubig. The water is so cold. Ang bigat naman ng bag mo. Your bag is so heavy. Huwag mo naman akong pagalitan. Please, don't scold me. Ang taas naman ng bahay mo. Your house is so tall. Ang sarap naman ng kape mo. Your coffee tastes so good. Sana naman hindi ka na magalit. I hope you don't get mad anymore. Ang bilis mo naman kumain. You eat so fast. Bakit naman hindi mo ako sinabihan? Why didn't you tell me? Sana naman makasama kita ulit. I hope I can be with you again. Sana naman bumalik na siya. I hope he or she comes back soon. Bakit naman hindi mo ako pinansin kanina? Why didn't you notice me earlier? Sana naman mapatawad mo ako. I hope you forgive me. Huwag mo naman akong sigawan. Please don't shout at me. Ang hirap mo naman hanapin. You're so hard to find. Huwag mo naman akong takutin. Please don't scare me. Ang bilis naman lumipad ng oras. Time passes by so fast. Ang bilis mo naman maglakad. You walk so fast. Huwag mo naman akong sisihin. Please don't blame me. Sana naman maging maganda ang resulta. I hope the results turn out well. Ang bango naman ng pabango mo. Your perfume smells so good. Sana naman hindi kayo mag-away. I hope you don't fight. Sana naman dumating ka sa tamang oras. I hope you arrive on time. Ang dami mo namang ginastos. You spent too much. Sana naman magkaayos na tayo. I hope we can reconcile. Bakit naman hindi mo sinagot? Why didn't you answer? Sana naman magtagumpay tayo sa buhay. I hope we succeed in life. Sana naman nagustuhan mo ang regalo ko. I hope you like my present. Ang bilis naman ng oras. Time flies so fast. Ang dami mo namang iniisip. You have a lot in mind. Ang sipag mo naman. You're such a hardworking. Pahiram naman ako niyan. Let me borrow that. Huwag mo naman akong iwan. Please don't leave me. Ang dami naman nating gagawin. We have a lot of things to do. Huwag mo naman akong iwasan. Please don't ignore me. Ang dami mo namang alam. You know a lot.